So hello everyone, I am Justine Claire Sombrio from Diploma Program in Hospitality and Tourism Technology. So I will discuss to you the global citizenship, and here is the learning outcome. To understand the global citizenship by its core principle, justice, sustainability, and shared humanity, and explaining how individuals and collective action can create a more exclusive, equitable, and peace world. And to analyze the real world. Example, global campaigns, citizenship trends, and educational forum to evaluate the evolving nature of citizenship and propose a meaningful contribution within their own communities. So, ano nga ba ang global citizenship? Global citizenship is a mindset and a way of living that recognizes all people, regardless of nationality, and belongs to a broader global community. Global citizenship is about seeing a world as deeply interconnected and understanding that our action, no matter how local, can have a global ripple effect. In a world connected than ever, our action ripple across the border. But what does it mean to be a global citizen? It's more than a passport, it's a mindset, a commitment to justice, sustainability, and shared humanity. Global citizenship means understanding that the challenges we face, climate change, inequality, conflict, are not confined to one nation. According to UNESCO, global citizenship empowers learners to think critically, respect diversity, and act for a more peaceful and sustainable world. In 2023, Global Citizen took over 33 million action, helping 1.29 billion people fight for poverty and injustice. From supporting Ukraine refugees to funding education Venezuela's children in Colombia. There are not just a number, their life change. And in 2025, Forbes reported a growing trend among global elites seeking citizenship by investment to diversify the asset and to protect against political stability. While controversial, it's a broader truth. Citizenship is evolving. At the first International Forum on Global Citizenship Education in Australia, leaders and youth from 20 countries gathered to discuss how education can shape a more exclusive world. A former UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon reminded us, education is a power tool for shaping global citizens who are not only knowledgeable but also compassionate and engaged. You don't need to cross ocean to be a global citizen. It starts in your community volunteering, advocating, and learning. Whether you're planting trees in the Philippines or joining a digital campaigns for girls' education, your voice matters. Global citizenship is not a title, it's a choice to care, to act, and to believe that a better world is possible, and that we all have a role to building it. Be the change and be global citizen.